One thing that's always fascinated me about art, maybe even more so than the actual works created by the artists themselves, is the creative process behind those works. How the artist got from point A to point B, all the way down from day one to the last day when it was released for public consumption. I've always found that process more interesting than the actual artwork itself. And as much as I may admire a particular artist's work, the book, the film, the song, the painting, to me, the real work of art is the creative process itself. The final product being a sort of tangible, symbolic representation of that process. So in that spirit, tonight I'm gonna go out shooting as always, but this time I'm gonna document it and hopefully give some insight into how I do street photography. All right, I think I'm good for tonight. I think I got some dope shots. Gonna go back to the studio and start editing. If you guys want to see the final versions of these pics, check them out on my Instagram at Brandon J. Hale. All right, thanks for watching.